Right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking for some help. This is an Amazon Fire tablet and it's got a really weird problem. Now, I don't know too much about fixing tablets. I've fixed one before, but that was simply a USB port that had been ripped off the board. I don't want to start taking the screen off or taking lots of bits off and then finding, well, I've no idea what I'm doing. I've already taken the back off of this. So let's get this out of the way. So let's plug it in. Let's turn it this way. Now I'll just let it boot up. Right, and there it goes. And if I swipe and go to files, now there's nothing on this tablet. It's been reset to factory settings. I've done it from settings as well. As you can see, it all works fine. No problem, you might think. So what is the problem? Right. So if we leave it just to shut down the screen, or in fact we can press the power button, which I think is there. Switch the power on and it doesn't work. No amount of clicking and you can see that it's gone. Do that again. No part of the screen works. But yet, as you just saw, I was clicking on it without an issue. So this is the underside of it, and as you can see, there's nothing, well, you might not be able to see, but having looked at it, there's nothing really that I can see that's loose. All the cables are still look like they're intact. But the thing is, it works. If it just didn't work at all, then you would think, okay, maybe there's a cable damaged, or maybe there's, you know, capacitors gone or whatever, but I just don't know. If I just undo the battery, put the battery back in, plug it back in to charge, it's got 66% in it, so really we don't need to really plug it in. Let it boot up again. And there we go. After 15 seconds, this should dim the screen and then switch off the screen. But it's still working now. There's the screen dimming and there it goes off. Now the button is just here. I don't think on these you can double tap. Switch on, nothing. Not a thing. That to me is a little bit weird. I've never seen something like that before. Is it something to do with the sensor or whatever it is around the edge of the screen? Is it software related? I just don't understand why you can sit and use it for, you know, for ages with no issue, and then switching off, switching on again, and it's gone. One thing I will say is that I have gone into the bootloader and done a factory reset. I've done as many software things as I think that I can do, bearing in mind it's an Amazon tablet and, well, there's only so much you can do anyway. I don't want to convert this to an Android tablet. We have a lot of games and things that we've bought through the Amazon App Store that we want to keep. As I say, if you have any ideas, please do leave them in the comments. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully I can make a video showing how to repair it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.